Welcome to AP Workshops, welcome to our introduction for our end of July walk around. So we're going to show you what's going on in the workshop, and we've got a little bit of a giveaway later on. So welcome to our walk around. So what I'm going to do is show you what bikes we've got in at the workshop at the moment, let you know a little bit about what's going on, and we've got a mask giveaway. So if you just stay tuned on this one, we're going to sort of demonstrate what Snox is already, have a quick look, he's already demonstrating what's going on. There you go. So because it's mandatory at this particular strange times to wear a mask, we've had a few made, so basically we need to make sure that do you know what, it's just a bit of a give up, bit of fun. Let's make light of this situation. So welcome to AP Workshops, welcome to our walk around. We are going to show you exactly what we've got in at the workshop at the moment. So we've got our Works SP over here at this particular point in time, which we're still working on. Unfortunately, because it's not a work that's booked in the workshop, we have to that has to take a little bit of a back seat, but it's still here. That's my Harley, so anybody that wants to argue with that one, get a grip. It's a bike. That's the workshop V4 that we're still not finished yet. We're still going to make some special adjustments to that one. The Tuono Racing, one more week. If this doesn't sell in one more week, we're keeping it. I'm going to build it, we're going to keep it. Colin Edwards, again, we've not got something to just yet, just to so we know what's going on with that one. That needs a bit of engine work. This is Amber's bike. Again, just needs a little bit of work doing it. In fact, I don't know if you've noticed, but there's a fairing on it now, so progress has been made on that. The wheels are away for powder coating on that. We've got one thing less to do on Andy's Tuono. That one has tank connectors. Basically, Gen 1, RSV and Tuono, 3-pin tank connectors. If when you turn the ignition on, you can't hear the fuel pump priming, look at that, because they can be, or they're starting to get a little bit ropey at times. Have a look. It's worth having a look, no question. My mate Blaine, I've known Blaine for a very, very long time. This bike here is a little bit spectacular. So this V4, if you have a quick look, there's a little plaque on the yoke, which we can take a photograph of in a little bit, no problems. This is one of the first batch of V4s that came into the country in 2009. This one has magnesium wheels. It's the factory. It's got all carbon fibre bodywork on it. As it goes, it's just an absolute missile. The thing's just amazing. Like we've just, Angelo went out for a road test, came back, and he was just kind of sitting, trembling, sucking his thumb in the corner for a few hours afterwards. Totally brilliant bike. Just totally loved, and I think probably this is going to go to his grave with him. But we've known Blaine for a long time. Blaine's one of the originals from the rsvr.net forum that we still run as it goes. So if you find that you want to go old school, go back to a forum, or sort of like rather than a Facebook thing, then rsvr.net, these are a top bunch of lads, absolutely brilliant. Right next door to them we've got my Grom, I love my Grom, and then my mountain bike. Yes, I'm an e-bike rider, I ride e-bikes, I don't care, I love it. This is my RGB 250, which I'm sure you've seen on the last video. Engine build on an RS 250. My race bike, got a track day on that on Thursday. So looking forward to that. My Tuono Racing, the race bike, the nitrous bike, one of the TZ250s. I am absolutely petrified, scared of that bike. I kid you not, it absolutely scares me to death. This is Aidy's bike. Basically, intermittent fuel pump operation, and it's not the block connector. Believe me on that one, it's not the block connector. It was killing me, this one, but I'll get there. Shit, that 750 that's in for work. This is Carl. Say hello, mate.
Hello.
So basically this is a hi mum. So this is in for a full service. That's what Angelo's wandering on. He's on that today. So that's pretty much what we've got in there. So round now, it's time to go and have a look at this masks. Welcome back. This is the giveaway that we're talking about. So, as ably and wonderfully demonstrated by our wonderful colleague, Snox, the legend, the man, the myth, the legend that is, we've had to get some masks made for people that basically staff members that need to go to the shops, that need to do the post, that kind of stuff. So, we had some extras made. So if you want to win, or if you want one of these, or if you want to be able to get hold of one of these, then all I'm going to ask you to do is to comment below. If you want one of these, comment below with a reason why you deserve one of these. So if you've played some kind of a pivotal role in this whole COVID madness that's been going on, comment below, give us a reason why. We'll give it, what, 7 days? 7 days or something like that. 7 days, and then what we'll do, the next video, walk around video we'll just give you a name check, we'll put one of these in the post to you, send you one of these down. So if you've done something which is good for people and good for others, and you want one of these, comment down below, let us know what you've done. As I said, as ably demonstrated by our glamorous Snox, we will we will get one of those in the post to you. If you need to get in touch, you can get in touch with us via email or via the phone, no problems. Messenger is becoming and proving very, very difficult to stay on top of. If you want to get in touch, you can get in touch via email. That is sales@apworkshops.co.uk. You can give us a call at the office, no problems, dead easy, dead straightforward. We'll see what we can do for you. Be safe, take care, talk to you soon.